Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Rangpur Jilai School online class for the learners of class 8. I am Mohammad Ohiduzzaman, assistant teacher English, Rangpur Jilai School, Rangpur. Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In your last session, I taught you transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. Today I will conduct a session on transformation of sentence from negative to affirmative. I hope you will listen to me with full attention. After learning this item, you will be able to know the structure of negative and affirmative sentence, the opposite word of the given words, a variety of expressions in speaking and writing English. Dear learners, now I would like to start transformation of sentence from negative to affirmative. First of all, negative sentence, none but Allah can help us. Note, if there is none but indicating Allah, God or any person in the negative sentence, only will be used at the beginning of the sentence instead of none but. Now the affirmative sentence will be only Allah can help us. Serial number 2, negative sentence. Nothing but the moon was visible. Note, if there is nothing but indicating any object in the negative sentence, only will be used at the beginning of the sentence instead of nothing but. Now then, the affirmative sentence will be only the moon was visible. Serial number 3, negative sentence, he was not more than 12. Note, if not more than indicates number in the negative sentence, only will be used instead of not more than in the affirmative sentence. Now the answer will be he was only 12. Serial number 4, negative sentence. Men cannot but submit to destiny, or men cannot help submitting to destiny. If there is cannot but or cannot help in the negative sentence, must will be used in place of cannot but or cannot help in the affirmative sentence. Now then, the answer will be men must submit to destiny. Serial number 5, negative sentence, the boy is good not only in English but also in mathematics. Note, if the negative sentence is done using not only but also, it will be affirmative using both and. Then the answer will be the boy is good both in English and mathematics. Serial number 6. Negative sentence. There is nobody but laughs a truthful boy. Or there is nobody who does not love a truthful boy. Or nobody hates a truthful boy. Note: if the negative sentence is done using the structure there is no plus given noun plus but plus rest part of the sentence, or there is no plus given noun plus who plus negative form of the rest part of the sentence, or no plus given noun plus opposite verb plus object. It will be affirmative using the structure every plus noun plus verb plus object. So the answer is everybody loves a truthful boy. Serial number 7. No sooner had I reached the school than the bell rang. Note: if the negative sentence is done using the structure no sooner had ... then ... it will be affirmative using the structure as soon as plus clause of past indefinite tense plus clause of past indefinite tense. Now then the answer will be as soon as I reached the school, the bell rang. Serial number 8. Negative sentence. No other food on the menu was as cheap as mutton chop. Note: if the negative sentence is done following the structure no other plus noun plus prepositional phrase plus verb plus so or as plus positive form of adjective plus as plus subject of the given sentence, it will be affirmative using the structure of superlative degree. Subject plus verb plus article the plus superlative form of adjective plus noun plus prepositional phrase. Now then the answer will be mutton chop was the cheapest food on the menu. Serial number 9. Negative sentence. I could not catch the train. Note: if the negative sentence is done using the negative form of the auxiliary verb plus main verb plus object, it will be affirmative using the opposite word of the main verb to maintain the inner meaning unchanged. So the answer will be I missed the train. Serial number 10. Negative sentence. Never tell a lie. Note: in such kind of sentence you will have to use always instead of never. Besides, you have to use opposite word of the object. Now then the answer will be always speak the truth. Serial number 11. Negative sentence. Della was so poor that she could not buy a gift for Jim. Note: if the negative sentence is done using the structure so plus adjective plus that plus clause, it will be affirmative using the structure to plus adjective plus to plus verb. Then the answer will be Della was too poor to buy a gift for Jim. Serial number 12. Negative sentence. Oranges are not so cheap as tomatoes. Note: such kind of sentence is to be changed into affirmative using the structure of comparative degree. In another way it can be done. We have to change the position of subject and object. It means subject will be object and object will be subject. So the structure will be subject plus verb plus comparative form of adjective plus then plus given noun of the sentence. Now then, the answer is tomatoes are cheaper than oranges. Serial number 13. Negative sentence. A day laborer is not always happy. Note: if the negative sentence is done using not plus always, it will be affirmative using sometimes. Then the answer will be a day laborer is sometimes happy. Serial number 14. Negative sentence. There were not a few passengers in the flight. Note: if the negative sentence is done adding not plus a few, it will be affirmative using many. Then the answer will be there were many passengers in the flight. Serial number 15. Negative sentence. He has not a little money. Note: if there is not plus a little in the negative sentence, it will be affirmative using mass instead of not plus a little. Then the answer will be he has mass money. Dear learners, this is all for today. Now I expect that you have understood what I have already taught you. You will practice them at home. Then they will be easy for you. If you face any complexity, don't hesitate to communicate with me virtually. I will present before you again with another topic in another class. Till then, stay at home and stay safe, following the health rules to prevent the spread of the deadly COVID-19 coronavirus. Thank you all.